Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. In the beginning of my space, I would like to thank Almighty Allah who has given me a chance to tell something in front of you. And also thank from core of my heart to my our teacher, Mr. Muslim sir, for selecting me as one of you. And thanks to my artist audience to be with me. Today I will deal with the topic of my space. Today is our district Cox's Bazar. Is a famous civics in Bangladesh. It is very beautiful and attractive. Cox's Bazar has the longest civics in the world. Many people like Cox's Bazar very much. Tourists visit Cox's Bazar every year. People enjoy this, see the and natural beauty. The beach looks very nice in the morning. Last year I visited Cox's Bazar. We took many beautiful photos. We ate fresh fish and seafood. We felt very happy there. Now many tourists are coming to Cox's Bazar. People enjoy the civics. I will in the future I will Cox's Bazar visit again. I will go there with my friends. I will remember Cox's Bazar forever. Due to lack of time, I'm going to finish my space. No more today. Many thanks for your patience listening my space and spending your valuable time for me. May Allah bless you. Thank you.